You know what's up with me. Shooter on this shit, so we gon' really step for free. Bitches, they gon' change up, I'm really on my knees. I'm praying to God, hold it down, that's why I keep the G. A nigga know, step out. Nigga on this shit, we don't go. Hop out, nigga keep the clock out, nigga keep it flow. Ain't never changed back to back, I don't wanna with my road. Most these niggas change up most of the time, they acting like a hoe. You know what's up with me. Rap nigga to talk the shit, we really step for free. I'm all up in the street, I play this shit like sesame. A lot of pain that I've been dealing with, stressing and finessing. Forever over my head, how could Brody is so listen. Still gotta thank God for the blessing, reminiscing. Mama cooking in the kitchen. I'm talking to you little nigga to listen. The life that you chose wasn't the life that you were gifted. But damn Brody, now you listed as one of the gang members who were posted in the trenches.
Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Tell you.
When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond. And that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost.
Disaster music.
Sure. Big up King Malama. Yeah. Big up Cliff. Alright. Yeah. Big up man. Family. Jude. Them on the chat behind your back in a youth. None of them not real in a youth. Them one they a pretend. You know see what I go on ya. Fake friends. Yo, only I pretend. I will heap of fake friends. Then chat behind your back. And then smiling at your face. And them a damn disgrace. Then two out of place. When you try help them, envy and jealousy in your face. Then I really know. None of them are really know. Pussy them. None of them are really know. Me say none of them are really know. Pussy them. None of them are really know. And none of them are really know. Them are going like a friend, you know. But an enemy, the whole of them, you know. Smile with me every day. Act like my brethren, I say. Walking on my yard daily. And still you are plan for rob me. One man come and shoot me. You are going like two conniving. Deceitful and disguising. The best word to describe him.
Disaster music.
None of them are really know. Me say none of them are really know. What me say? And none of them are really know. None of them are really know. A bunch of fake smile. None of them are really know. Me feel it from higher child. A bunch of fake smile. A bunch of fake smile. Hey, burn up everything we wrong. Tell them fi do the right. But still, them a talk about try love. And none of them have no love. Eh? How would they feel like? Eh? How where they come from? Eh? Who them there? Eh? How where them belong? Eh? They're not real. Who know you feel? Almighty Jah, give me the eyes to see, so me go see it. Eh? I mean I like what I go on in the earth. The place wild, because none of them juvenile no care about the Almighty eye. So the place it not have no order. I be a disaster.
Disaster music.
Coulda bad like our, say we no afraid yo. Coulda mad like our, say we no afraid yo. Coulda tough like our, say we no afraid yo. We no afraid yo. We no afraid yo. Coulda bad like our, we no afraid yo. Coulda rough like our, say we no afraid yo. Bad like our, say we no afraid yo. Southside, Gasparello.
It's life. The power of the energy. The power of the frequency. Selassie, I energy. Selassie, I frequency. Emmanuel Jesus.
All things rise and passed away. Just the flow of life and change exists that day. While I and I resist to conform, Selassie bring a perfect storm. Perfect storm. Perfect storm. Perfect storm. Selassie bring a perfect storm. Lord, just another chaos to awaken us. We have to let go Babylon, it's a must. I cast a living God contagious. We need a change and it is up to us. Big up the Rasta man who labor for this. As the word of King Selassie say, fit is of the fit. Some pretend to pay attention, slide and slip, but I will give a good advice. The best possibility, perfect storm. Rasta bring a perfect storm. Oh, perfect storm. I bring a perfect storm. Same young, same old. Same young, same old. Same young, same old. Same face code. For man will think as he is told, searching for a sense of life to save his own soul. Cleansing a fire, renewed fine gold. Throughout the tribulation, still a wall you want. When the boss is slave gone, the fittest of the fittest stay strong in a perfect storm. Rasta man a bring a perfect storm. Perfect storm. I bring a perfect storm. Perfect storm. Rasta man a bring a perfect storm. Perfect storm. I bring a perfect storm. Signs of the time. Some man stay beyond time. Some born to live, some live to die. Just like a low goodbye. We come, we go, we go, we come. Earth, sea and sky. We come, we go, we go, we come. Give thanks for each breath of life. Hey, while we hit and we skip and we squander possibilities, scattered all with chances, lost the connectivity, procrastinating all the while. Then you sit and you feed on the feeling of insufficiency. With a spliff by your lip, a boom just sense. Harvest is few, but the reapers are plenty. Sit around and ignore the opportunities. In a state of illusion, voluntarily. Unfortunately, live on, it's a quantum reality.